In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce CRM effectively. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just in need of a refresher, this guide is designed to help you navigate through some essential setup steps swiftly and efficiently. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. This serves as a central hub for all your activities and navigation needs within the platform. As you glance towards the top right corner, you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Clicking on this is your gateway to a myriad of settings options crafted to enhance your user experience. It's important to pause for a moment and familiarize yourself with these settings. They can dramatically improve your workflow, saving you time and effort in the long run. Next, you'll want to click on Setup from the Quick Settings menu. This option is particularly powerful as it allows you to dive deeper into the customization and configuration offerings that Salesforce is known for. Whether your focus is on aligning the platform with specific business needs or simply modifying it to suit your personal preferences, this is where you can fine-tune Salesforce to work best for you. During your exploration of the advanced setup, you'll come across a search bar titled Quick Find. Here is where you can type in CRM, which will smartly filter out all the features and settings specifically related to CRM functionalities. This little step is a real time saver, as it presents you with only the CRM-relevant options, thus streamlining your setup process. Once you've typed in CRM and located it, your next click will be on Salesforce CRM content. This section is crucial if you're aiming to capitalize on Salesforce's robust content management capabilities. Accessing this area puts CRM content management functionalities right at your fingertips, offering you all the tools you need to manage your business content effectively. Within this section, you'll notice an option to enable Salesforce CRM content. Activating this feature is pivotal for businesses that rely heavily on content management. It unlocks a suite of functionalities designed to better manage and organize your business content. This step streamlines data access and sharing, which can significantly boost your operational efficiency. Finally, make sure not to overlook the Save button. By saving your changes, you ensure all your adjustments and the enabling of features are securely stored. It's a common mistake to make changes and forget to save, only to find yourself redoing your work. So make it a point to click Save to lock in all the modifications you've customized. And there you have it, a brief yet effective path to getting started with Salesforce CRM. By following these steps, you've set the foundation for utilizing Salesforce efficiently, paving the way for enhanced productivity and business success. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforcing.